Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of Korean cuisine to explore one of its most iconic dishes, kimchi. Beyond its tangy and spicy flavors, kimchi holds a wealth of hidden secrets and cultural significance. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this beloved Korean delight. Kimchi is not just any side dish, it's the soul of Korean dining. This fermented vegetable medley, primarily made from napa cabbage, is seasoned with a blend of garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and fish sauce. The art of making kimchi is deeply rooted in Korean traditions, passed down through generations, and often enjoyed with every meal. One of the most fascinating aspects of kimchi is the fermentation process. As the vegetables ferment, the flavors intensify, and new probiotics develop, making it not only a delightful culinary experience but also a probiotic powerhouse that supports gut health. This natural preservation method allows kimchi to be enjoyed year-round, even during harsh winters when fresh vegetables are scarce. Just like every region has its own unique culture, kimchi also comes in various regional flavors. In the northern parts of Korea, you'll find a milder version, while the southern regions tend to prepare spicier and more pungent varieties. Some even include additional ingredients like radishes, cucumber, or even seafood for an extra burst of flavor. Kimchi is more than just a delicious dish, it's a symbol of Korean identity and unity. In 2013, UNESCO recognized the cultural importance of kimchi and added it to its list of intangible cultural heritage. It embodies the spirit of community, as families come together to make and share this beloved staple during Kimjang, an annual kimchi making tradition. Beyond its tantalizing taste, kimchi offers a myriad of health benefits. Rich in vitamins A, B, and C, as well as fiber and antioxidants, kimchi is a nutritional powerhouse that supports immune function and overall well-being. Its probiotic content also promotes a healthy gut, making it a staple in the Korean diet for centuries. Over the years, kimchi has gained popularity worldwide, earning its place on the plates of many international food enthusiasts. Its unique flavors and health benefits have sparked curiosity and appreciation for Korean culture, further connecting people through the joy of food. And there you have it, the captivating tale of Korean kimchi and its hidden wonders. From its roots in tradition to its global appeal, kimchi is truly a cultural gem worth cherishing. So, the next time you savor a spoonful of this fermented delight, remember the rich history and love that goes into making this Korean treasure. If you found this journey into the world of kimchi intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. And, of course, if you want to explore more exciting content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy eating and stay curious.